Redmon!
Make a ladder truck.
Yeah!
This is bad. Someone's on the 7th floor. This is bad. I can't go up right now. Oh, yeah! Billy! Help! Billy! Help!
Oh, it's time to roll out! Here we go!
Billy, come on! There's someone on the 7th floor, but there's a fire on the 1st floor, so I can't go up there. Please, help!
Then... Oh, we need a ladder truck. Let's make a ladder truck. Billy's ladder truck assembly! Hi! The ladder truck is complete!
Hooray! I'm a ladder truck. Call me when you need to reach high places.
There's someone on the 7th floor! Please, save them!
Okay! Come on, firefighter! Yeah!
Yeah! Hurrah!
Woohoo! 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 Ladder truck! Great job!
Thanks to you, we safely rescued the cat family. Don't mention it. Ugh.
Click here to subscribe. Press like.